It's right to say, Ruth, that before all this incident happened, the quality of the friendship was very good, correct? Well, Dale, it must have been extremely good, no? Ruth and Emma's friendship, they were there for each other, that sort of thing?
They were. You know, they were pretty good, like, good mates, you know.
Well, they must have been extremely good friends, because according to the both of you, and the statement, Dale, that you've provided, Emma was such a good friend that she was prepared to buy very expensive gifts for you. Yeah. Correct?
Correct.
There's a total amount of expense of £514.94, where you've bought goods, you say, on behalf of Ruth.
Yes.
Right. Where did you buy this stuff from?
From a catalogue.
Now, you bought that knowing, right, that these goods were not for you.
Yes.
Very good. That you were effectively going to get into a credit agreement with this catalogue.
Yes, I was very stupid.
Excuse me?
I was very stupid.
Very good.
Yes.
But in circumstances where in the event that Ruth didn't pay, you would be liable.
Yes.
Well, no problem. Because if these goods are not for you, the first thing you would do would be to get something in writing so you could put it on.
Paper.
Very
yes.
good. Where's the paper?
I haven't got anything on paper.
Why couldn't you simply, if you wanted this stuff, go to the catalogue yourself and start buying them? You didn't have the money, presumably, right?
Yeah.
Now, you bought various things
Yes.
through this catalogue from Ruth, correct?
Yes.
A washing machine.
Yes.
Now, you look after this little girl of theirs. What were the circumstances in which Emma bought a washing machine for you, do you say?
Well, we said that I'd pay her back when I could pay her back.
So in response, would you like now to withdraw that aspect of the claim, your defence saying you do in fact owe her the money for the washing machine?
Well, yeah, but in my eyes, I don't think she deserves a penny.
£214.99. At the time she ordered that from the catalogue, in your mind, neither of you took the view that it was a gift, correct?
Mm.
Did you buy yourself skinny jogging trousers?
No, I'm not exactly skinny.
Emma didn't give you them as a gift, right?
Yeah.
You knew you'd have to pay for them as well?
Yes.
Good. In addition to the skinny jogging bottoms, you can't just have them on their own. It would be like having, you know, peanut butter without the nice bread. You had to have the trainers to go with it. Were these trainers for you?
No, Ruth asked me to get them as a gift from her daughter to Dale for his birthday.
No matter who they were for,
yeah.
You weren't going to take on the personal liability, right? You were going to give her the money back for that as well, correct?
We never agreed on no money for them.
Sorry?
We never agreed on no money for the joggers
Well, you
or
tell
the
me,
shoes.
Tell me about the shoes. She was going to give them to you as a gift.
We hadn't even spoke about it. There was nothing mentioned about paying back or anything.
Well, I'm going to get there. What about the pram and the kids' trike, which was £54.99? May have been, in my judgment, something, if you loved this little girl, as I'm confident you did, may have been something that you thought you'd buy for her.
I bought her a trampoline for her first birthday.
So
Ruth
who was
wanted
going
that
to give
for-
her the kids' trike?
Ruth wanted that for her first birthday present.
That wrong?
Yeah.
So who gave her the kids' trike?
Emma.
What about the pram? It's a self-evident need for a little baby.
The pram I was asked to get because Ruth said the wheel was not working correctly on the previous one. And can I just add, with the trike, she tried to sell that recently on the social media site under items for sale.
Have you got evidence of that? Don't worry, I can check. Did you try... Have you got the trike?
Yes.
Did you attempt to sell it? Have
Yeah,
you
because
advertised...
my daughter doesn't use it.
What about the pram?
Yeah, the pram's here now in this building.
Do you say that Emma bought that for you as a gift because she loved the baby, or do you say that you knew eventually you would have to pay that money back?
I'd say as a gift because she knew herself that my pram was broken.
Did you say to Ruth, look, I'm doing this for you, I'm getting into debt, you're going to have to pay this back?
They were all different orders, as you can see. And my exact words to Ruth was, I have been bitten before, stupidly, helping other people out. If I was to help her out before placing any of these orders, I would need you to pay me back.
You certainly knew if you bought a washing machine for £214.99, she couldn't pay you back in one go.
Oh, obviously.
Right. So what were the weekly instalments going to be?
Because the catalogue...
No, what were the weekly instalments going to be?
I advised it was £39.36 minimum payment.
That's the minimum payment. Just
month.
pause. Here's the point. You were going to get into a credit arrangement with this catalogue. They charge interest.
Yes.
So you're not just getting into debt for the goods, you're also getting into debt for the interest as well. It's like giving somebody free access to your credit card. Really stupid thing to do. For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.